Hello and welcome. You're watching MBC Television. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Shillong to host International Tourism Mart in November 2023. Ribhoi district celebrates skilled women in pickle making. Lamjingshai Paham Shiken Village Organization celebrates 3 years of service. And state mock drill in Eastern West Khasi Hills district raises awareness on response to disaster. And now the news in detail. Shillong, the picturesque capital city of Meghalaya, has been chosen as the host for the International Tourism Mart set to take place over 3 days in November 2023. This significant event is expected to draw participants and tourists from various corners of the globe. Mr. Paul Lingdo, the Minister of the Tourism Department, expressed his excitement during a media briefing. He emphasized that this is the first such international mart to be held in the state, and it presents a unique opportunity for locals to showcase their talents on a global stage. This event will not only highlight the rich culture and beauty of Meghalaya, but also allow international visitors to experience the state's unique charm and talents.
Has been organizing this, what is known as the International Tourism Mart, ITM, since 2013 with various states of the Northeast. And this year, the 11th edition of the International Tourism Mart from the 21st till the 23rd of November will take place here in Shillong. During the three-day event, we will be showcasing the art and handicrafts and nominate tour operators, hoteliers, homestay owners as sellers for the B2B meetings. And during the ITM, we expect the participation of all the states of the Northeast, and the occasion hopefully will be graced by the presence of the Union Minister of Tourism, Mr. G.K. Reddy. So this is a very important landmark event because it will be for the first time that Shillong will be hosting the International Tourist Mart.
The Horticulture Department of Ribhoi district, in collaboration with the Food Processing Department of the state government, came together to honor and celebrate 183 skilled women from Ribhoi who have successfully completed their training in pickle making. The training, generously funded by the Meghalaya State Skills Development Society, has empowered these women with valuable skills in the art of pickle production. In recognition of their hard work and commitment, the Horticulture Department also presented certificates to the accomplished trainees. The event was graced by esteemed dignitaries, with Mirabon's AM, MLA of Nongpo, presiding as the chief guest. Among the distinguished guests were Makbul El Suyam, OSD of the Food Processing Department, BM Umlong, Joint Director of the Agriculture Department, FN Sun, District Horticulture Officer, A. Kharbudon, Program Manager of MSSDS, Androni Linkoy, Technical Associate of the Food Processing Department, and other notable personalities.
Still berben berbahaya ada kata-kata. Ini namanya begini.
Nalor pangila iyo ya kita ki bangin le ya kita ki penyusok kan ringin kin ayun tam kan kanta ki mi don kamban pelut por hayem mo nalor pangila man set pam set di pekon pekti kalau kam ka bayar apa ya pi kalau mi ko se bicara di haru nasutu bagi puan madu kini di woman self help group kile kundu kam jomti ki formi ka group ki formi ka group ki sarai ki sumbai ki bo ki dukan bandi ki kawai pade kat kum kejuk ko menta kalong bayan ki asar bagi dia berobor kat kum kejuk ding start menta ki brio ki pai em ke leveling ke don em ki don ayu ha uni u asar jompi ki brio victorious bayak churum seneng ki don ayu ha uni u dilot asar jompi ki ingredient ki don ki ke expiry date lalu nomor bagi brio menta ngilong very health conscious ko oi ni nyemlei le ki kun ki jongi maknuan kiat maknuan ra ki page wa ki ong soye o kadang diam ke expiry date dia kembut bang bidang lomen bang tengah sudah nak cipol berpisah pun kilo kini mesin ini bentah tapi nanti seperang ban le kini ken pengkelan ke branding ke betul ya gila dia cipol mangas ni laga dia bat kum kejuk tiksa ya apa begini I kong ki kai po office jumti
ki pralong kami di naga bentah ganeka program ka bertepang ya kepada kalian jong ka directorate jong ka food processing jong ka jela ngelungi agi jing terakhir but Meghalaya State Skill Development Society lala ban penlong ya kedika training naga bentah kumno ban sna asya kedika jing sisya baka chamber boy ka ik jungi kedika district ka bobli la terpang kadon ke jing ong hari boy berat nung sumbai long kadon ka potensial na ka benta karet karyang kajing penmi egi jhur ki jhap kajing penmi yau khau kajing penmi egi so trun iwi iso kajing penmi yau sing kajing penmi ya sensar bagi dangdon sibun di marep ki nong chong ki jongi ki imja na di kamera nanun penong hangi ba kumunong mikmat na kanong po konferensi umangilekren mentah ka bede bat ki dukan ki beper ki beran haga surok pa ki dukan ki bedi so ki bedi asyar ki bedi kiwi ki jenggon kam kinong lek kinong wan lagi hajar ki lek sisi ngalalap daladi hagawi kesgi ngasongkai hagadika lebai market kajong horti konsor ke lebai market dewi kong na po kumreng ksai ngasongkai bati iwan gi turis ki Peit gi bilor asyar dan level ni ngasong ang tu itu di kong ilaong ba kedika bagi permit bagi ke lokal nang ni keli gitu turis ba dan level dan ni menola sena menola pedam menola yu ikwa bentuk ya kata lagi om ikli te ikong om te pi ka payment mo bersiu pisah ile ada GP yang pila advance tu kan dia bersiu pisah pila ile pila yang ada GP yang beli pila sagal leveling ban pen ha ban pen internet ban yo ya gajing senya kata gede gajing mon ya kadang nantu ga yo kem kata kan pada slam kata ngatarai dan apa new prabanai kata Shua election akan mau beli cokai itu di Shua election. Di kita ki ba panio ya gejing senya but kami ke training ya ke ba hi playo gejing kai kumno ban pedam kumno ban sna kumno ban kota tercep but kumno ban ya yang di sikmat kumno ban biang ke level kumno ban don ka panio ya itu ka certification mo jong ke FSSAI di naga benta ban penting kena bagi turis nak keleng ke perti kiba yat lang bay kan ke surok lana wat ki sinong ki thaur bagi senya dia kamar ke bangi ki bumi kata ketika jumtmu jong ni training bat ni sutu biang ban sibit kin sayo ya ki certificate nak right I certificate ni certificate mar bila dep ke training ba kan long ke jing mentoy nak banta jung ki hap ban perkhat di lukai ki lok tham chingai ha ki pakhat tham chingai wachar wachet hi bam hi ilele chno chet hi bam hi bhaendre wodei hadukan lagi lok la kerling de berthei hap sutu ni hap chi ki hap ban shania ya tu kamar kumun usa de du acha ki wi ki mar bro so nangka po ka food processing directorate food processing matahari boili bagi ki babun bhai patung so trun ka sai mun ka por sa ka por but kidan ka tu kan ni ki snong kumha mau pro kumha nong khra kiladon ki processing unit awi apa pambir kinang persang nak mata ban urlong no ikut kani ka baditang nak mata so trun bakin sina ya ki umso dan ki jam ba fer nak so trun bat bandon ki level ki babiang bat bandi haki dukan dan dia ban supply se ki jakal kan long ni jung
The Lamjingshai Paham Shiken Village Organization, along with its 7 self-help groups, marked a significant milestone by celebrating its 3rd anniversary in serving the people of Paham Shiken. The celebration, which took place in Paham Shiken, saw an array of esteemed guests, including Melbourne's AM, MLA Nongpo, who graced the occasion as the chief guest. Balajit Rani, MDC Nongpo, and Headman Cyril Maring also joined in to commemorate this occasion. Addressing the gathered crowd, Melbourne's AM expressed his heartfelt gratitude and appreciation for the relentless hard work and dedication of the Lamjingshai Paham Shiken Village Organization and its self-help groups. He lauded their efforts in uplifting the community and fostering positive change over the past 3 years.
Mau pro yang berilum pada maulong, tapi dia rukung arulai kenal atau ini lain terli maulong kita ini beliau, jadi ni video. Bagmenta ke snap, kani ke snap arajan arulai berapa, yang ni kan awat. Dia orang tu jual ikan itu ayat awat orang hidir mereka, kani kan penting. Jadi video kita boleh batam insium galis na po blog, na office cung video, na po NRLM. Ban penting kena bagi lain terli ki BO ki bateri bah der bi banrai der bunga banjit di office cung video ki guru sarkar di banjit ya kita lain terli bagan don ka awat bak pisah cash price ka bagi sai kata kali ka jingkola naglia ngau MLA ban pun seluruh ya ki BO tanamar ka tangi kan tu do teri bah ki book ki pa ki cung ki AW ki cung ki tu ki baro bangsa ki gitu baru kita itu toy teribahai presiden ke toy teribahai kita kiasi jibro apa pisir ni kampen thai nalor ka bagi penerkam yang ini sia ya ni kuaru bakum ki dekhat hapo ka bio ka jong ki hindon ki ui activities kadin kuat jong kana relem golong bagilong kemi ki persang ki ui activities thumchur aja re agan modi sentar ya ni anggan bodi sentar kitchen garden lare yat tumpun chur nanta dai ki kena samla ki bala khamnang khamsta kena samla kenthe ki bala khamna ki bala nang lasta ki kailem ya ki bala termen ki bala san adlis ban san peti menang aubi ni kusot ki panang terap di san peti nang imam ki bala termen ki video riskur nang chuade jenjar. Ya namar kata lada la kiban organize kita bro kini kiban ra ya ka bio institute RCTU bahai lada kilom keme samla lani ki samla ni ki samla ki la khamna kamsta voluntary ji jimui voluntary ban mon dagmon sobha ko kini kai ban wow bi ke lade ban san proti kini temen.
In a show of solidarity with a program organized by the Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority, residents of Eastern West Khasi Hills, including district authorities, officers from various departments, towns and village residents, students and teachers participated in a state mock drill on October 12. The mock drill aimed at raising awareness on how to respond to various natural disasters, commenced at 9 a.m. at the DC's office in Mausawa. The participants then extended their support to the drill by also involving key locations such as the Tirot Singh Memorial Civil Hospital and St. Thomas Higher Secondary School. Additionally, treatment centers were set up at Dom Maulom Ground and Pendeng Umyong to simulate emergency response scenarios. The mock drill was also participated in other districts of the state, which includes the West Khasi Hills, West Jantia Hills, Ribhoi District and South West Garo Hills District. This collaborative effort underscores the commitment of the community and government to enhancing disaster preparedness and ensuring the safety of residents in the face of potential natural disasters. In a recent development, Clifster Marak, chief of the All Khasi Hills Achek Federation AKHAF, conducted an on-site investigation on September 12th to address the public frustration surrounding the State Bank of India's Ranikor branch in Tura. The non-governmental organization brought this issue to the forefront. AKHAF Chief Shri Clifster Marak raised pressing questions to the authorities about why the Ranikor branch was failing to meet the basic banking needs of its customers, many of whom come from various parts of the district. Mr. Marak pointed out that the most distressing aspect was the agonizing wait times that customers endured, with some spending their entire day in queues only to leave empty-handed. The chief of AKHAF has fervently called for immediate intervention both from the government of Meghalaya and the central government to facilitate the swift upgrade of this bank. He has also urged high authorities within the State Bank of India to address these issues promptly and work towards delivering seamless banking services to the community. In a recent development, Clifster Marak, chief of the All Khasi Hills Achek Federation AKHAF, conducted an on-site investigation on October 12th to address the public frustration surrounding the State Bank of India's Ranikor branch in Tura. The non-governmental organization brought this issue to the forefront. AKHAF Chief Shri Clifster Marak raised pressing questions to the authorities about why the Ranikor branch was failing to meet the basic banking needs of its customers, many of whom come from various parts of the district. Mr. Marak pointed out that the most distressing aspect was the agonizing wait times that customers endured, with some spending their entire day in queues only to leave empty-handed. The chief of AKHAF has fervently called for immediate intervention from both the government of Meghalaya and the central government to facilitate the swift upgrade of this bank. He has also urged high authorities within the State Bank of India to address these issues promptly and work towards delivering seamless banking services to the community.
Nina kata dibaca main mancung ini nanti bakli lain dongeng pangan ini kan orang pembangunan sargemek antoni tangkarang pokna dibagian semua mangga tangkap asyarang pokna kata mangga na public ni komplain pemani cengar dibagian macam non nak malam stapa cungja aro cinta manca blok ni tangkap asyarang pokna kata makhluk watak tanya selo tapi yang ini pakai ini nazar akan cekah kita macam ini staf sudah baru orang dongjanya selo mandi agri bang juga nasi bengar cuna ini selo yang kami pun ambil ke sistem kita karena macamnya ni akan cepat kita cakna yang nam semua tinggal sini ya Ranikor Bank, kita saya uci balatuni ya Ranikor uci maya sekolah nak dia di sesuatu kali ini, pangan ini kan kita macam ini state government ko melakukan usaha, ya public ramai ini kan ya bank ini kan kita macam sok kayu uci nak kerja, jadi ini juga orang nak kerja.
살봉아 갑자기 강하대.
만원이 리바?
라자주니.
अच्छा सालबोंगा रिबानियाव खामोआं जामान आंगे
दासल उंजोकबा
दाल उंजोक अच्छा सालबोंगानि जामान सङोमो
Batarang koros puna na.
sabungade migiban rot 1200 nangare de
Sallo.
ke chana rengna nangare nga gari bare yang ibar sagni
Acha maini man ribamung na.
anga ya
TMIC nok skim
ni
Batarang mana nok skim ni thangkha kora? Sotpunga gani mana. Ndide nangi haja sotpunga gani mana ni ode ribat ngi mana bara rangon batarang bunang ha. Acha de mathelana.
In an exciting kickoff on October 12, 2023, the Megha Kayak Festival 2023, spanning 3 days, commenced in Umtham, Ribhoi district. This festival has attracted participants not only from across the globe, but also from the local community who have been honoring their skills in the area. The event is being orchestrated by the Ribhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society Limited in collaboration with the Sports and Youth Affairs Department of the state. The primary goal of the festival is to position Meghalaya as a prime destination for such exhilarating water sports extravaganzas. Ms. Larry Cordor Kharkrang, a member of the Ribhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society Limited, shared insights with the media about the festival's commencement. The opening day featured junior kayakers in the immediate category, setting a thrilling precedent for the days to follow.
Ngadai Larry Cordor Kharkrang, ngadai member jongka nika society Ribhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society, ya kanika event ya kanika Megha Kayak Fest di penia ya kanika society jongi, te mentakas ni kakaraterik October nila sedang ya ka intermediate category, kata ka down river, te ngidon Shipho ngut ki nong leka nong isim benta, te kibun ki lokal jongi kide ki lokal, kamud nang ni nasional ban nasional ngidon, te ngidon ru na Arunachal bat na Sri Lanka kibadai haka intermediate ya ka pamentakas ni the next day ngin sadan kibun ki international paddlers ngidon khatsan teli kiri ibala poi hadu menta kanika klip ma
kita ginong sumentay bo na nabar ka
patip dan bakin tangwan rute
don nangwan
ya menta tanar pesan ngut iba ki international ibawan na kiwe kiri ngidon ki arpusan ngut te ngidang expect ru ki bantangwan
kanung kidi bana ko jelas ni
na jela jongi haka pro category ngidon ya Vishnu Lizi langot ngidon ya intermediate ngidon untuk hangut dilay.
Nasal approaching gate 5. Come on, Nasal! 4, 3, 2, 1, ready, go! Bame is off and racing. Let's cheer on! Go! Go, Bame! And the Masala is off and racing.
Yes, yes.
Go on, Masala, representing Sri Lanka. First time we've had a competitor from Sri Lanka here at Umtham. Powering away. Indra, just wait there. Indra. Can you hear me, Indra? Hello. Go right.
Indra.
No, Indra. Indra Sharma. Please just wait there. A volunteer will help you. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, ready, go. Eco-fire is started. Let's cheer him on. Go, hit. He's really powering away, getting everything he's got. 34. And Mamba is off and racing. Go, Mamba! This is Indra Sharma, starting in intermediate. Go, Indra!
Come on!
Indra is go. Intermediate, go! Hazel's approaching Indra Sharma.
In a bold move, the Hnyautrap Achik National Movement has announced its decision to stage a sit-in demonstration at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi. The primary objective of this demonstration is to underscore the state's fervent desire for the inclusion of the Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Additionally, the movement aims to address the long-standing demand for the inner line permit and seek the central government's intervention to resolve border issues between Assam and Meghalaya. Speaking to the media, President Lamprang Kharbani conveyed the reasons behind this decision. He revealed that in recent days, union leaders had visited Delhi and secured permission to proceed with the demonstration. Furthermore, they have written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, President of India Draupadi Murmu and other government ministers, urging them to closely monitor and address these critical issues. The sit-in demonstration is scheduled to take place on the 3rd of November, marking a crucial step in pursuit of linguistic and territorial justice for the people of Meghalaya.
Resident Commissioner Kajala Madon Hanum Padalhi Kalapha Yau Jong Surkar Ban Yalam Dikot Kaseng HANM Ban like I Kadorkas number 1 Shako Office President of India, number 2 Shako Office Jong Prime Minister Government of India, Shako Office Katat Kampuyin, but Shako Office Jong Armut Ki Cabinet Minister na kanega thain satai lemni kita tidai ukiran ridiju ba usar banada sunwa na kalian jo kesen HNM CEC hibuai kamla kham ai kublai ya ko office jong ku DCP Parliament Street New Delhi 1 Residential Commissioner but Assistant Resident Commissioner ka Sarkar Meghalaya ba kloi ban yarap hakaba ngiralek ban ai dokas jingkublai kala jero sya iba staffing pra kesik bat pelok tunggu ki bawah senang ban pendat ini kan kijam hanong ba dobi na benta ki tauba jong kecela bat jong kecai pendiri barokwe berhapan sim ke senjam mandai punya an rondom haki office of Berlin sorkmi ban sim sudon ni negara ban belong JP bat haflau yang tuki resu haflau dari jam bat kat kum kejing ekran bat MP ku bat in charge in is of way ni sudon kejing kerman namar ba udah in charge bat bu khantip baru ya ka kolsor ya ka ustur ya ka riti ya kejing kam jingi kirulung khamtam ku jalan kerja namar Islam pak mulai ya syong discuss dulu mulai ya thier mulai ya tai habe dai kecilum kam keki jom kejelam kerja namar pi rangi supan kan mau hausna banyak ketra military tu sok tembal lapas ya pen kasih berkalo la jandap katno jandap sansnam la sansnam tam te KLP ru hausna mai khnai ba sarkar MBA kala warra ya ga resolution hin ko an la jandap sansnam te kani ka ba penlong ya de jenam ba hab ngimban se Hapan lagi satu pulau yang Prime Minister, pulau yang tunggu Home Minister, kenang bangin suatu, bat kenang ba kan pelau yang ki beli hapan sim serius. Nama lah ini sesuatu baru baladat yang tanggung lah benar ngisu ki aman student ngisu ki hang ne yang majo. Kapadang kapor ba nilai ki hang te yang juki. Nyimla banlan nyimla thun ai kublai kakas kapala sedang kong banlek setai pulau jong Prime Minister. Te isno ba ka bun kam ni kum ki nong elam do de dun re ini ki dum behak yeki baik hajaka habu kebangi day banyo hajaka kaba ban implement hajaka ban approve kenang ba makiru ke cutu kan ini yeki hene ke cutu sino habang yeki hene kalau tek ke penjenjar kai yang berujo nama kini yeki isu ke he ya yeki he Wan kepor bahap ya peluk kali peluk kepes kena kofil mano berjenjar. Haba kot jenjar bodok jenjar unong bala jenjar unong sunong jenjar unong trepes bakun ta ter. Kita tahu di hadin bang ila eksamen ba ngla perkat kasai perkat UCM kalau perkat ba ni rutu bakal kala kaya kepor ini lagi cisai dekat beliau lagi cisai kalau we jong kepaten kemasuka ni hapan yar beceli. Kita tahu ke perlong ini kuseng ban sim ya garai hada te ka si jong sudah berada. Ban sim yang mereka senjam mereka rai. Ban lai ai ya ki memorandum syakri hesokar jongka India. Ban kumjur ban sim yang mereka senjam ban rai ban black ki no. Syadalgi kepada kejaka ban implement dan ban upload ya ki mat usaha menurut kadai ka rai pola sim haka art de jong nani sumbar jong sunam hajar arpuar. Ngatrai na kipres batip tang ba noben na ponongsan bat ba sentos talon yang na pomopor nama kiwan ketika si jongga etnem bat babon hi dang tit menta arnga laila kane kadai ka rai ba si klasim nama ni don ni gejing sokhya ya kine ki mat ki jura jong kari nama ni suthu shai ba kam don jing mutsu bang ni ki ne po Meghalaya namar ba ka sarkar MDA 1 hapo ke jinglam juga MVP kalau lepas ya ke resolution kamtam ya tingkasi garo pat ya ke LP ini berkuat. Tikum kinong iram jong kaseng ngidon ke jing sokya namta kine ki mat ki padon ni jing kermen ya ke poten ke bangsa ka ngila sim hantai ka snem ba long the bolong jiar baja namta ka lawai jo de beliau ni hapan hair batch ni khablet batch jaka bakin ai yang ini kum ke jatuh beliau, dan ai ini kum ke celah, hanya kawan upload pune, ban implement ya kini mat ke celah mereka sokal kelas sim di senjam, nabenta ke cingha jom ke jatuh beliau bacok ke celah itu.
On the 12th of October, residents of village in South Garo Hills filed a complaint against the contractor responsible for the prolonged delay in completing a PMGSY road. This road connecting Goka to Alokpang, Bogegitim in 58 Rongara constituency has been under construction since 2017. However, after a span of 6 years, it remains incomplete and in a deteriorating state, causing significant inconveniences to daily commuters. The villagers, particularly school-going children, have been severely affected by the deplorable condition of the road due to the abandonment of construction work. NGOs from South Garo Hills have been consistently submitting complaints to the Deputy Commissioner regarding this issue. The concerned residents are now urging the authorities to address this matter promptly and ensure the swift completion of the road to alleviate the hardships faced by commuters in the area. A cluster-level federation CLF group in South Garo Hills, in collaboration with local school students, has lodged a formal complaint regarding the rampant sale of illegal liquor in the Rugapara village area. According to the CLF representatives, illicit liquor is shockingly easy to obtain in their region and it comes at an alarmingly low cost. They have raised serious concerns that children between the ages of 10 to 15 are becoming addicted to alcohol due to the unrestricted availability and affordability of this prohibited substance. The CLF group is now demanding swift action from the authorities, imploring them to crack down on these illegal activities immediately. Members of the women's group within the CLF are questioning why the concerned department has not been conducting regular checks in the area to curb these illicit activities. In a fervent display of dissent, the Northeastern Hills University Teachers Association, NEHUTA, commenced their protest today against what they describe as the adamant behavior of the Vice-Chancellor of Northeastern Hills University, NEHU. The protest revolves around several contentious issues which affects the entire institution. NEHUTA members and faculty expressed their strong reservations regarding the unilateral imposition of the NEP, emphasizing the need for consensus with the Academic Council. Furthermore, the protest also sheds light on concerns regarding the recruitment process within NEHU. NEHUTA alleges that hiring has taken place without interviews, casting doubts on the transparency and fairness of these appointments. The protest serves as a significant reminder of the importance of open dialogue and transparency in shaping the future of higher education institutions.
Students in the colleges, principal have implemented, they like it somehow. We all know, MCTA, NEHUTA, everybody knows there are serious flaws. I would request any parent, any student to ask the Vice Chancellor, where is my third semester course? What I'm going to study? They have no answer. What I'm going to face in exam? What is my structure of exam? No idea, because there's no more question paper. Exam is supposed to be in November. He is taking us for a ride. Initially, the fight of NEHUTA, MCTA and others were for a rollback. But right now, we are not harping as such. I'm using the word very carefully, not harping. We will discuss in Academic Council as and when it is being convened. When we listened to him, that what was the urgency for him to backstep us? When Academic Council has resolved, there was a voting done in Academic Council that it cannot be implemented 23-24. Only 5 people have raised their hand in support. Rest of them said it cannot be, and it was settled. Yet he went stabbing us at the back, and he went and bulldozed the college principal, saying that Academic Council, and he issued that letter dated said 12th of July, where the OSD has said that, Academic Council 110 meeting has actually approved. And we have not. And there are serious procedure flaw, because, why I'm saying it has to be very, very clear, because nobody should misunderstand NEHUTA or MCTA. We are all for our students. These are our blood. This is our flesh. I think I will be very scared if I have to send my kid to college to study in this kind of scenario where I don't know what they're going to study in 3rd semester, 4th semester, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. And that's where we were harping that let the whole picture be clear. Then yet student wanted it, yet principal wanted it. We said, fine, then let's discuss about it, how to move ahead. And that's why we said that you must convene. But he didn't agree. Finally, we have to go for a signature campaign, whereby our RA5 under clause 13, it provides that if you get requisition by 1/3 of the total membership of the Academic Council, he is bound. I'm using the word. It is not his choice anymore. He is bound to call this meeting, whether he liked the topic, he doesn't like the topic, it is not in his hand anymore. And I know he has also announced, trying to play games with us, and he has announced one normal Academic Council, which has no reference whatsoever with our meeting that we have requisition. There is no reference whatsoever about our meeting that we have asked for. And that's where we are saying that we demand immediately this emergency requisition meeting has to be called in next few days. Otherwise, things are not going to happen easy in any case.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.